Welcome to the CapitalVape.com Getting Started instructional walkthrough videos replacing your battery. Once your battery has been depleted, you'll notice this indicator light flashing repeatedly. To change your battery, you're going to remove the cone. You're going to remove the atomizer and the cartridge. You're going to take your battery, you're going to insert it into the USB charger. You're going to screw it onto the USB charger. Replacing your battery on second, third, and subsequent attempts will only take 2 to 3 hours to charge to full. What you're going to keep your eye on is this indicator light turning from red to green. This can either be placed into a USB port and/or your wall adapter. Once your battery is charged, remove the battery from the charger. Reinsert your atomizer and your cartridge. Insert your cone back onto the unit, and you're ready to vape again.